Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to edit formatting information on the Microsoft OneNote application, meaning that these are the default formatting information, so you can change them at your settings. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, you should open your application. After that, tap on the settings icon in the upper left corner of the screen, or that's the profile icon actually, and then click on the settings icon down below. Now you should tap on the edit and view section in the settings section. As you can see, this is called the edit and view page. Here you can select the default font. If you click on it, you can see that there's a vast variety of options here that you can choose from. So click on the relevant one, and then it will be changed automatically. Then you have the chance to select the default size as well, either by sizing it down or up. And you can hide the authors, capitalize the first letter of the sentences, and so on. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.